No matter what your dental needs are, at Boundary Implant Centre, we use the latest proven technology to let your confidence shine. We combine our extensive experience with the most advanced dental technology to improve the health and appearance of your teeth. We offer a full range of oral surgery procedures in-house, from wisdom tooth removal to dental implants. Laser therapy is an advanced treatment used to effectively treat infections and gum disease, among many other dental treatments. We also offer crowns and bridges, which are used to fill the gaps left by missing or excessively decaying teeth, restoring a beautiful, full smile. A digital smile makeover combines digital impressions and modeling with surgical and dental procedures to design, view, and refine your smile before any treatment is performed. Our teeth whitening treatment uses a combination of powerful gels and laser technology to lighten and brighten your natural smile. As well as oral surgery and cosmetic dentistry, we perform all routine dentistry, including fillings, root canal treatments, and scale and polish. Dentures can provide a natural-looking, removable replacement for those with several or all teeth missing to restore the appearance of your smile. We offer private and emergency dental services and welcome nervous patients. Conveniently located in Hove, our helpful and experienced team members are here to help. Boundary Implant Centre. Get in touch with us today.